everyone. How are you all doing today? I hope you're all having an amazing day. You're welcome to Almond Healthy Living, where we bring awareness to a healthy way of living. It has been a while. Anyways, today we are going to be making one of the most requested things on this channel, homemade almond milk. It is very easy to understand why almond milk is such a requested video topic. Once you look at its numerous uses and consider its nutty refreshing flavor and creamy texture. Putting its taste aside, almond milk is also packed full of amazing health benefits. Almond milk has noticeably less calories than cow milk. Almond milk can have up to 80% less calories than regular cow milk, making it a great substitution for those looking to reduce calorie intake and lose weight. In addition to this, it contains several times less sugar and carbs than cow milk, making it overall less taxing on the body to consume. It is low in calories, sugar, and high in calcium, vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that fights against free radical damage, and vitamin D, which is an important nutrient for several aspects of good health, including heart function, bone health, and immune function. Almond milk is also free of cholesterol, and its fats are what make it good for improving heart health. The almonds used to make almond milk are high in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect against oxidative stress, which can damage your cells and contribute to inflammation, aging, and diseases like cancer. They are also found to have bad cholesterol-lowering properties. On top of all of this, it is a dairy-free, plant-based alternative to cow milk. Almond milk can be used in any way that regular dairy milk can be used. So without further ado, let's get started and make this creamy and delicious almond milk. What makes this homemade almond milk so unique is that there is no additives or preservatives. To get almond milk of this quality, you have to make it yourself at home. Since most varieties of almond milk found in the grocery stores are not as rich as this. To make almond milk, you need fresh almond nuts, not the roasted, salted ones. A good starting point is 1 full cup or maybe even half a cup of almond nuts. It all depends on the quantity you want to make. However, today I'm going to be making 2 cups of almond nuts since I use almond milk for so many things. For example, I drink it on its own. I use it for my smoothies, porridge, cooking, baking, and so on. After measuring the almond nuts, put them in a glass bowl or a glass jar and cover them up with water. Then leave them to soak for a minimum of 8 hours. The longer you leave them to soak, the creamier the milk gets. Personally, I like soaking them overnight, so by the next morning, they are soft and ready to use. After leaving the nuts to soak overnight, you will notice they look different the next morning. You can also see the water has changed color. What you should do at this point is pour out the water and rinse the nuts with clean water. After rinsing the nuts, you can pour the nuts in the blender. I'm not going to peel off the almond skins because they are organic. I'm going to blend them together. I will blend 1 cup of almonds at a time because the blender won't be able to handle both of them together. Then add clean filtered water you are comfortable enough to drink. A good tip to keep in mind is to make sure you add 4 cups of water for every 1 cup of almonds. However, you can change the thickness of the milk by slightly adjusting the quantity of water. I will add 2 dates for every 1 cup I blend as a natural sweetener and a pinch of salt. Vanilla extract is optional. I'm taking out the seeds from the dates because we don't need the seeds. Now it's time to blend the nuts. After blending, I will use a nut milk bag to strain the milk. Here are the solids. I don't throw them away, I use them for some other things like cookies and so on. The milk can be kept in the fridge for up to 2 days. Drinking a glass of almond milk every day will improve your overall health. In conclusion, almond milk is a great inclusion to your diet, as not only is it a tasty, plant-based, dairy-free alternative to cow milk, which makes it extremely easy to add to your diet. But it is also an easy to make nutritional powerhouse full of important vitamins and minerals that will increase your overall health. I hope you find the information in this video helpful. If you do, please give the video a thumbs up to enable me to make more health related content. Because as you know, knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your health. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button and make sure you press the notification bell so that whenever I upload a video, you will be notified. Leave your queries in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share, and let's stay healthy. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Bye bye.